Ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue, back in front of the grill again. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be doing some pork booty. We're going to keep this recipe super simple, super easy, Texas style pork, salt, pepper, that's it. We're going to get into throwing this thing together, show you how I prep it up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's make some delicious Texas style pulled pork. Okay, let's get into getting this thing ready so we can season it up. With the pork butt, there's not a lot you have to do to it. If you see any little pieces of loose fat like this hanging off, you might just get them off of there. We don't want that. And always, right here at the bone side, there's always going to be some nasty fat, probably a little artery in there. We want to get that out of there because that ain't going to be no good either. So we'll just come in here and get that out. Like that. Got a little piece hanging off here on the side. Take that off. Take a look-see here. I'm not going to do anything on this fat on the bottom side. I'm going to leave that all there because that's what's going to protect whenever we're cooking. We're going to be cooking this thing fat side down. So that's it. That's all I'm going to do to trim it up. Now I'm going to come back. Like I said, super simple, super easy. Just got a little olive oil here. Put a little olive oil on it just to give it a little binder for that rub to stick. And we're just going to come back with salt. Now this is just kosher salt. Like I said, keeping it simple, keeping it easy. Come back with some coarse black pepper. That's got our bottom side done. Now then let's kind of do the edges here. Get a little olive oil here on the top and we'll finish her off. Now that's pretty much it. Texas style pork, they don't do much fancy down there. They want that meat to shine through, and that's what's going to happen. That coarse salt and that coarse pepper is going to help build us a bark. Now I'm going to come back and hit it with just a little bit of paprika, just because I want a little bit of color on it. This is not necessary, but I like to hit it with just a little bit of paprika. That way we get that good color on this thing. That paprika is not going to change the taste. It's still just going to be salt, pepper. That paprika is just for the color. That thing looks about ready to go. I'm going to let it rest up here. Get the smoker fired up. Now I'm going to be cooking today on my Pit Boss K24. But if you're using a pellet grill, this recipe is exactly the same. You just got to use the pellet grill instead of the charcoal. But either way, it's going to be delicious. So let's get the grill fired up. Let that booty hang out. Get some smoke rolling on it. Okay, we got the grill fired up. It's cruising right where I want to cook at. We're going to be cooking today 275, 300 degrees. I'm running indirect heat. This pork butt's been sitting out about 45 minutes. You can already see that it's got some real nice color from that rub. Just salt and pepper. Let's get it thrown on the smoker. Alright, we're going to let that thing go for about an hour. Then we might take a peek at it. Maybe give it a little spritz. See you back in about an hour. Alright, that pork booty's been on here for about an hour. Take a little look at it here. Getting some good color. Just going to give it a rotate. Make sure we keep an even cook on it. I'm not going to spritz it right now because bark's not quite set. We'll check back in about an hour. Alright, so it's been about 2 hours. We're getting a real nice bark on this thing. Looking real pretty. Give it a little spin. I think I'm going to hit it with a little spritz. Okay, so the pork booty's been on there about 5 hours. Now we're gonna wrap it up. I'm using butcher paper. If you wanted to use foil, you could. I'm just gonna use butcher paper so that I can preserve that bark. I got the color that I'm looking for. Um, we're reading about 160 on the temperature, so we're just gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up. There we go. We got it wrapped up here. I'm gonna throw it back on the pit. We're gonna put a probe in it now. I'm looking to take this thing to about 203, maybe 206. We'll kind of see what it feels like. We're gonna throw this thing back on there. All right, so that pork butt is done. We're reading 206. I just probed it, it's tender. I'm gonna get it off of here. We're gonna let that thing rest. There it is. This thing wound up going about 7 hours, 6.5, 7 hours. We're gonna throw it into the Cambro, let it rest for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, and then we'll get into pulling this thing, see what kind of pork butt we got. Okay, so that pork butt's been resting for about 2 hours. We're gonna get it out here, try to pull it. I know the flies are probably gonna attack me, but we're gonna try to get it done right here. Let's take a look at it. There it is. Let's get this thing unwrapped, see what it looks like. There it is, unwrapped. You can tell that that sucker's done. I mean, get the bone out of here. Get the bone, then we'll come around here, grab a hold of this good old money muscle here. Just gonna get that off to the side, let it kind of hang out a little bit. Nice bark. Super tender. It's just pretty dang good. Hey, we're about to eat some pork. Now, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page, @Dyin I also got a Facebook page, Dyin We just cooked up this Texas style pulled pork out there on the pit boss. Whew. The perfect pepper, the perfect salt, that bark is just unreal. Until next time, folks, keep smoking.